What's up, everybody? This is Crazy Cat, and this is Force of Nature with Crazy Lady. There she is, Crazy Lady. Last episode, we were chopping up some sunflower seeds, and I was on my way. I didn't want to eat that, but okay. Go ahead and eat that. Strawberries are great. I was going to get some stone. Ta-da! And this is iron, by the way. If you the stone that has the brownish little hints in it, that's iron. And then there's tin, and then there's also copper, I do believe. And then there's just regular stone. That had hardly any in there. Sheesh, I just got stone from that. But that doesn't matter. New level. And I need more sand and glowing embers. Okay. And I have 15. Ah! I just need some more sand. Well, these bunnies are just absolutely everywhere. It's ridiculous. In my other world, there were hardly any bunnies. They're all over the place. Well, I have more of them on this one than I did the other one. They were a bit far spread out. And now, we should be able to level up. Ding! Yay! Level 3! And what do we need for the next level? Copper coins and gold coins, which you get that from Goblins.
My nemesis.
Crazy Lady's ultimate nemesis. And then I also need to make a blast furnace and get an iron ingot. And then my quests. The first battle! Made a clud or a stone mace. I'm going to make a stone mace because the stone mace has higher hit points. Make a coal smoker and get some coal. Okay. Well, I can do that. Maybe. I need more clay and sand.
That's poopy.
What's poopy?
You can only make one iron ingot at a time, even though you have enough resources to make 2.
Are you sure you don't have enough coal?
Yeah, I got enough coal.
I've been able to make 7 at a time.
Say what?
Yeah. You can make more than 1 at a time.
Oh, I know what it is. I know what I did.
What'd you do?
It takes 2 iron to make 1 ingot.
Yep.
And that's what I had in my bag, was 2 iron.
Ah!
That would be why.
Mm-hmm. Huh.
Whoops. No.
What's happening?
More iron.
Woohoo!
I need more iron. That's poopy doo.
Oh, you need to go get some more.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Ha.
What's... Ha!
Not that bad. I'm getting down on my iron over here.
My last one, I had like 45. I spent a while actually mining, but it was I benefited from it. I got 45 iron. It was awesome. And that should be enough to make a... wrong button. B. Coal smoker. Oh. Now the question is, where do I want it? Where do I want it? I think I'm going to put it over here. Bling. And that should take no less than a couple seconds. Check my glowing embers. I've got a few more. And... I've got 5 logs. I need to get closer. Okay. It's ridiculous how close you have to be to your stuff in order to interact with it. I have a few more sticks. And I can make 15 coal. Ta-da! I need 20, but that should be enough for now. And that's that. First battle. Okay, yeah, I need to make... And I need a stick, and I used up all my sticks. But, luckily, I have my trusty axe so that I can destroy this bush. Bush, bush, bush. It's just so funny after you get done your last swing, and he's just like attacking air, like, Hah! I only got, oh, well, it's 5 sticks. Okay. It only had like 1 stick pop out. And so I was like, what? But that 1 stick had like 5 sticks in it, so. It's like a stick carrier. Okay. Stone mace. Make! Because the stone mace has 20 damage and its attack speed. Its attack speed is 0.63. Which is pretty fast, I think. Not exactly sure how fast that is in...
Check out the cudgel. The stone-studded cudgel.
Oh. Yeah, it's got like...
It's only 1 more damage, but it's a little bit faster.
Really?
Yeah.
What? The cudgel is 15 damage.
No, the stone one. Look a little lower. I think you can make it now.
I have cudgel and stone mason, that's it.
Okay, never mind.
I think you can only make that at a crafting bench.
No. Well. No.
Make up your mind!
I think I made it without.
Really? Got some coal. Okay. I am ready to fight the fight! I just need to wait on that. And off we go. Where do I want to go? All that is blocked by beautiful sunflowers and trees of the like. I just want to figure out where I want to leave or make a escape route through. Let's look at my map. Okay, there is a bunch of red dots over here, which is enemies. Which is a way I don't want to go at this current point in time. But I'm just making a quick sweep of the edge so that I can see what is around me. Yep, my decision is made. I'm going over here. Run away, bunny, run away! Bunny! Run away! I've got my axe already out, so I won't be able to get through there. And go around here. Haha! Here's an exit. Get this bush out of the way. Oh, and there's some coffee right here. I'm gonna make a nice little path through these beautiful sunflowers. What? Did you get killed again?
No.
What happened?
I don't have enough Iron Maid.
Iron Maid?
Yeah, well, mind.
Aha.
Oh, boogers.
Boogers didn't do anything to you.
Fucking table. Gonna make me use all my
Except,
stinking iron.
that's not good.
No.
And that is our first goblin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just attack. Ah! And start the battle music. Dun 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 dun. Uh-oh, here comes his friend. But we should have enough health to beat him to a pulp. Whoa! And you're dead. And we got 4 gold coins from 2 goblins. Hey, cool. Holy gosh. That's a lot of enemies. Oh, good. Woohoo! Oh boy, got 2 again. 3! I'm out of here. Nope. No, thank you. Leave me alone. Go away. Go away. Ouch. Ouch. Stop hitting me. Ouch. Ouch. What? Ouch. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. No, 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 no!
Run!
I've got 4 of them on me! Where do I go? I have nowhere to go! Oh, come on, stop eating that freaking strawberry. Yeah, get caught on those trees. Assholes. What? Get caught on those trees. Yeah. No. Yeah. No! I'm in a corner! I'm in a corner! No! No! I'm gonna, ah! Run! No, I'm in a corner again! No, I'm gonna die! Oh! I died! No! Oh man, I lost my splinters, logs, and my clay, and
Do you have rock? Stone, I mean?
yeah, I've got stone, but
Oh, I don't know if you can make splinters out of it unless you have your crafting table.
you can't. Oh boy. And they disappear after they kick your butt.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Ambush.
Well, Mom, now I know how you feel.
Very angry.
Yeah, and I only got 4 gold coins out of it. Well, might as well nurse my wounds. And make some more coal out of my non-existent wood. I know how you feel now.
Yeah, it's really goofy because it's clear. It's an ambush. They lure you, and then boom.
And then boom.
Yeah, boom, then boom. Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it is, yeah. Oh man, there were so many enemies. Oh my gosh. I tried to get one, and then I only saw 2 of them come at me, and then all of a sudden there was freaking 4.
Yeah, see? That's what I was running to. I'm like, this is not cool.
My other world, they were semi-spaced out. I guess I picked the wrong way to go. I think I need to pick a different way. Instead of through the beautiful field of sunflowers. It was a trick, I tell you, it was a trick. Nah. Dang it, we didn't start a timer again.
What?
I forgot to start the timer.
Whoops.
Ah, crap. Oopsie. Ooh, I just saw some lightning.
When it first happened on mine, I'm like, am I gonna get stuck?
Right?
How real are they gonna make this?
Right? That's what I was actually thinking the first time I saw it. I'm like, is it gonna be like Minecraft where I'll get struck by lightning?
That's what I was wondering.
I hope they don't make that a thing.
So far I haven't.
Yeah, me neither. So far, it's been kind of smooth sailings-ish, except for the dying part.
Right?
Yeah. And then I used up all my strawberries, except for 4 of them, to try and not die. Yay. Oh, come here. No. Kick it, not chop it down. Sheesh. I want the coconuts. Okay. Kick. Kickaroo. You just gotta have like an iron toe in order to kick a tree. That's gotta hurt. Wrong button. Go away, Fern. Or palm bush, or whatever you want to call yourself. Harvesting for food. I mean, it's like they came out of nowhere.
Yeah. Ambush.
They just chewed on my butt.
Yeah. And didn't offer a drink or anything.
Yeah, they didn't even give me 2 cents. What harsh treatment. No effect. Use an axe. Ba-bomb. And I'm exhausted. Sunflower seeds away! I just got this picture in my mind. You know how people animate people's YouTube videos? I can just see with what I said, like the sunflowers away. Somebody just making a sunflower hero and just having it fly into the sky. Da 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 da! Sunflower!
Super sunflower.
Seed. I for inventory. Yay! More food. Excuse me. So... Oh! Apples give you stamina and health.
What? Really?
Yeah. Look at the stats.
Wait.
I'm getting more apples.
Well, I'll be darned. I'll be darned.
Ha ha ha!
Interesting.
Right? I just can't get over how big these bunnies are. Although I don't know how big a jackrabbit is.
I don't have a weight, but I do know they're good size.
Oh, I just got 2 apples in a row. No effect, use an axe. Okay. And I'm slow as a snail. And now I'm not. Yay.
You overburden yourself?
No, that's not a thing in this game as of yet. I just have no stamina.
Oh, maybe that's why I went slow. I wasn't paying attention there. I thought I was overburdened. Oops.
Yeah, you can't as far. Whoa! I just like strobed myself with my interface of quests and stuff instead of spamming my sunflower seeds.